Hi neighbors, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and today we are making Butter Swim Biscuits. I got my oven preheating to 450, and in a bowl here I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add to it 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, mix that in, and I'm going to add 2 cups of buttermilk. I'm going to stir that in with my wooden spoon there. I have a 8x8 pan that I'm going to pour this batter into as soon as I incorporate it really well. But first step before pouring it in is I melted I melted a stick of butter, so 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, so equals 1/2 cup. I'm going to pour that into my baking dish. Continue mixing this. One second. I'm going to get a spatula, scrape as possible throughout the dish, and pat it into the butter. And it's going to swim in that butter. I wash my hands. And puffy. I'll take it back when it's done. Now we're ready to take them out of the oven. See how they look. Ooh. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Very good. Very good. Let's see if I can get it.
More than 25 minutes just to get the color that I wanted. So easy. So delicious. Look at that. Ooh. Very good. That's it. Hope you give it a try. So quick, so easy, so delicious. Let me know if you give it a try. Comment below. Thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe.
They just pull apart.